Hello, 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 everyone. Give me a moment, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. I don't think our music is playing. I don't think. Okay. Hmm. Hello, hello, hello. Let me do this stuff here like this, and we can go. Anyway, today we're doing something nice, something different from modeling for once. I wanna develop. I wanna more make some games. I wanna make some stuff. And what is the most fascinating thing to make? Okay, it's not an original idea, but excuse me. I wanna make you know those shitty mobile ads that you're scrolling through Reddit and then you see them. You see like those ads that you sorry for that. My voice is a bit weird today. You see those mobile ads in the Reddit post and you be like, ah, this is gonna be a nice game. This is gonna be very nice. But then you download it and you find it is totally different. Like it is not what you have expected and you saw in the ads. I mean, those games exist in those games, if we say those mobile games, but like a mini play or something. So today I was like, you know what? Let's make a let's make that. Let's make a mobile game, mobile ad game, make it real. And if I can pull the give me a moment. If I can pull a picture here for something like that. Something like something like these. Something like this. Wait, let me pull just one window. If it want to pull. Yeah. Something like this that they come towards you and they're not there anymore. No, it's not like they're not there. I'm sorry. I'm focusing on other stuff. Like these enemies come towards you and that's the game, I guess. My phone is complaining about charge. I don't care. Okay, this is our main target for today. So let's start. Okay, I want to make this very fast. I'll try to make this very, very fast. Because how long can it take anyway? Nothing. Okay, let's start. We call this our play scene. We add like the road. For now, we just add stuff. CSG box, I guess, if I remember correctly. Yes. Let's make it a bit big. 30 meters by 10 meters. No, just 5. Come on. And let's add a camera. Everything is gonna be stationary at this point, I guess. Okay, camera is here, pointing here, rotated toward here. This can be our plane, our viewport. Wow, we already did like half of the work. No, no, seriously. It's gonna be a bit hard, I guess, to make this shitty games. But it's okay. We're here to make shitty games. No, not expand folder. We want to create a new folder, call it scenes. To save this scene in the scene. And it's called play scene. Okay, we need our character. Character body 3D. Let's name it play. They duplicate. Is it a good idea to make it player character? Since it's gonna be physics and stuff, and we're not gonna use physics and this stuff. I don't know, is player character more efficient or just a box that we can move? Okay, no, we do player character, it has the stuff. Okay, for now I'm just gonna do the mouse, the keyboard input for this. Let me visualize it first. CSG cylinder. What's the cylinder? Fuck. No. Yeah. It's fine. Cylinder is fine. Is fine cylinder. And we do here a collision shape because it's complaining about a collision shape. A cylinder shape. You go as well. No. I want you to go up, not to scale. Okay, this is our boy. That is gonna be duplicated trillions of times, I guess. And let's give this here layer nodes. Let's save it in our player nodes. The naming is something it is something I am not very excited about. Okay, let's do movement first. I created the full. Oh, okay. I created the full script without realizing. Input. Let's do move left and move right. For now, I'm gonna do the mouse movement later, just for testing purposes. Move left with A, move right with D. Close this one. Okay, we do not need jump, we do not need gravity, we do not need this stuff. Maybe here we do. Okay, let's leave it the speed like that. We just want to move on the right, the left and right axis. So we do axis, I guess axis, something axis, get axis, yeah. Move left and move right. I'm correct. And here we don't need direction. We don't need all of this stuff. We do our own. Also this one. Okay, we're left with this stuff. We are doing we're moving left and right. So we want to do if input direction is smaller than 0, basic stuff, I guess. If my memory served me well, because I totally forgot how to code in Godot. If our input direction is smaller than 0, we want to move to the left. We want to do velocity dot. So we're moving on the x-axis. Yeah, I think so. I don't want that, I want this. Yeah, we're moving on the x-axis. Dot x is equal to, it's equal to or minus or equal to input there times speed. We do LF, I guess. Speed. Speed is not. I hate that they do it in these caps. The speed like this is input there. I think it's gonna be wrong, but else velocity x is equal to just velocity is equal to vector 3 dot 0. Okay, if I am corrected here, it should work. It really should work. Let's put the player here. I don't want to put the player in there, man. And not like that. The transform, we want to reset this and this. Okay. Let's see now. Select this as the current. It's gonna be error now. Trust me, guys. I have a feeling. I really do have a feeling. My coding skills with Godot are out. Why this thing is so slow? Where is my... Okay, I forgot the sun. Yeah, so many things. Okay. Oh, it is working, but is it normalized? I don't think so. No, it is super fast and super. Let's normalize this bad boy. Normalized. No, it was there. I remember you can get the input dot get axis and you can do normalized. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't remember. Wait a second. Wait a second. Let me... I have to get vector, I guess, not axis. What about vector? Dot normalize. And what is it complaining about? That vector called exhibited at least 4. I don't want... Yeah. I'm wrong here. I think this is nice. It's fine. I just bump down the speed to 1. And give me a second here. Give me a second. I want to put some walls here. So let's duplicate this bad boy here like this. And this has to be a bit bigger. Let's make it 10. Okay, let's make this like this. Let's make this 10. I want to snap the position. Okay, okay. And let's duplicate this one more time. I just don't want to fly across the... Why? Ah, the collision. Okay, 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 okay. We enable collision on this, and this bad boy. Now, presumably it will work. Yeah, but it's flipped, and also the camera needs some fixing. Where is the camera? Here, the camera. Let's fix it like this, a bit on top, maybe a bit behind. We can make that longer. Okay, let's make this a bit longer. 40. Okay. Okay, is this far enough? I think so. Let's make it a bit high up, like this, and down like this. This is so annoying, man. Let's do 60 as well in this, and 60 as well in this. Okay, so we can play however we want with the camera and the player. We make it this far. Yeah, very much better. We change the skybox and everything later. Okay, I have to flip this. One flip from here, one flip from there. Where did my tab go? Okay, I am using the VS Code. Why it's still flipped? What? Ah, plus this one here. No, I lied. Plus this one here, because I flipped it. Sorry guys, sorry. I didn't code so much in... Why? Now it's going the same direction. I am doing... Maybe. Okay, I had to do plus. Perfect. Okay. Now, next order of business. We have the players moving. We want him to be auto shooting. Okay. This is very not hard. We're in the -z direction. Okay, when you work in Godot and Blender, this just makes everything for you. It is why they cannot just agree on the same thing. Unity, Blender, Unreal, it's so impossible. It's really so impossible. Just make the axis the same. Why does it up and some have it down and some... Okay, enough complaining. Let's go. We want the player to shoot towards the -x-axis. So towards here. So let's give him a shooting point, which gonna be marker 3D. Where's our marker? Marker is over here. Let's put it here for now. And we want a bullet. An area 2D. Let's give it an area 2D. 3D, sorry. And let's give it a collision shape. Perfect. Shape is gonna be mesh instance 3D, and it's gonna be a sphere, and this one is gonna be a Also, there is no sphere here. Yeah, there is sphere here. I have found a problem that if I resize this, it complains. Did I fix it? It is not complaining. Okay, good. No, what did I do? Okay. I want to select both. Resize them. Ah, no. Now it complains because of this teeny tiny thing. Okay, let's fix this. What is the sorry. The dogs are going wild outside. My dog as well. Okay, let's resize this. Where did it change? Here, scale. 0.5. Are you joking with me? 0.5. And this one here, transform scale. 0.5. Okay. Probably it's gonna be okay. Bullet. Let's take them and save them in a folder called. How do we call this folder again? Prefabs, instantiations, bullets, bucket, bullets. Okay, let's save bullets and bullets. Save. Let's go to the player. I want to see how big it is compared to the player. Okay, that can work. That can work. You know what? Let's put everything on the player right now. Let's get the timer here first thing first. We wanna shoot at a timer, which is gonna be 0.5, for example, to start. In the script here, we're gonna do a func shoot, for example. No, that's another language. We wanna take our bullet. We make it a. Can you imagine here? No, not here. Sorry. We wanna const here, but it's not gonna work. We need to change it to var undo instantiate, and we want to take our shooting position. Let's make it here already, and we take this to this. Now we do, for example, like equals here, bullet dot position equal to shooting position. No, we do add child, I guess. Why it's not showing? Get, no, not tree. Get tree. Why is stuff are so low, so slow to do? Get tree. Get root, I guess. Root, no root. Yes, root. And we do add child. Or we just, you know what? I'll just add it to them. But it's gonna follow the position of the shooting position. So we actually have to do it in the root. So let's do again get tree dot add root dot add child. Now it's showing. And we do bullet. And in our timer here, in the timeout, we do shoot, I guess. Let's see. Invalid assignment of private key position with the value of market to the. I don't know. What do you mean on a base object of a type? Key position with value of type marker 3D. It is what it is. G8. This is freaking unbelievable. Hmm. Uh, Let me look for a helper script, I guess. Why my boy is not... I don't know where did they put it. I think it's... yeah, I'm stupid. Global position. I forgot to do global position here. Now it's gonna instantiate. Hey, now we just have to give it some speed to go in front of us. Sorry about that. Anyway, let's give this some speed to move. So we want it to go. Let's give it here. Val speed or bullet speed equal to 2, for example. And here we do I don't know why it's so slow. What is the problem? Is the process? Because it's not a physics, it's not related about physics about this. We're just gonna do position dot x z, sorry, it's gonna be z. It's minus equal speed times delta bullet speed, sorry, not speed. And let's see now, let's see. Go in front, yes. We just have to make it more faster. Go in front, yes. And I can add here. I really don't remember the out of sorry. Sorry about that, guys. My dog heard an explosion outside for some motorcycle and started going crazy. Anyway, I was saying, I don't know where is the... There was a method I remember that it was like exit out of screen, something about exit screen. which, for example, if the bullet is going this way, like, let me demonstrate better this way. If it's gonna pass this place, which is gonna be the screen, because we're not moving from the screen, it's gonna disappear. Uh, are we clear? I guess. Exit screen? No. Somewhere, somehow. Let me search for it. I really don't remember. Area to the exit screen. Godot. Enter an exiting screen. What are these websites, man? I really don't find it. It's a visibility notifier. Is it a node? I think so. Is it in 3D? I don't know. Visibility. Yes, it is on 3D. And here, exit screen, we do this. It's not destroy body. If I remember correctly, I mean, I can do pulling, but I really don't want to do pulling. I just want to go fast on this. I'm just gonna go destroy. Not collision. Not pulling. Maybe. Not for now. Not for now. I'm just gonna go for. I was just thinking about to do pulling or not, but it's okay. It's gonna be a lot of bullets, but I think we can manage it. Okay, exit the screen. The screen is so far. Is it exiting the screen? Is it destroying? Are we destroying stuff? How many bullets we have in the... Yeah, I think we are. Yes, we are. Okay. Something is wrong. Something is complaining. It's true. What do you mean? Shoot. Collision is inside tree. Returning true. This is a weird one. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna play the ignoring game and leave it be there until maybe I face some issues. Okay. Next order of business. We have the shooting. We have the player moving. We can add enemies, or we can add those things that come to you. Either you pick them, destroy them, and stuff. Okay, let's do those power-ups first. Let me do an area as well. Area 3D. And let's give it collision shape and mesh. Why did I click that? I have to go to inspector and do it as a box, and this as well as a box. Let's make this a bit bigger. Let's give it like, since our plane is 40, I guess, if I remember correctly, 60. Let's give it 60 by 10. So let's give it, disable this, give it 5 here on the X, 5 on Y. No, too much. 2.5 on Y. Maybe this is gonna be even. Okay, for now, let's just keep it like that. Transform this one as well. 5 on the left, 2.5 on Z and Y. And voila. Maybe we should put. No, again. Why you like to do this? 5 and 5 and 5. Why they like to do this? I don't know. I think it's fine. I can just push this behind. So we interact with the player first. And let's push this a bit up. Okay, okay. This can work. Let's name this add player. How much is gonna add? For now, let's do one, just one, I guess. That's gonna be right here. It's gonna be added when bullets hit it. Like, for example, there is written here 1. A bullet hit it will be like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or should I do it like the add that they put like just one behind one, and bullet don't affect them? Like there is just one behind one. You just get like, yeah, they do that. Let's do that as well. Like time tree, mathematical questions. Yeah, sure. Okay, for now this one is gonna just add 1, and later we see. Let's do interactables. I hope I spelled this correctly. I don't care. Let's put it in a folder. Okay. Now we have to spawn it coming towards the player. For first here, let's do a spawner. Let's do an empty thingy. Empty, not 3D. Plus spawner. It's gonna be here, I guess. Let's make it here. Here looks fine. So it's gonna go towards the player that side. Let's give it a. Yeah, it has to be its own scene. Save brush as a scene. Let's put it in scenes. Okay, let's put it in scenes. And let's open it like this. And let's give it a. Its position is like this. Like script, create. We're gonna take our bad boy here in the interactables. And all we're gonna do, we're gonna put a timer for now. I swear, Godot, what happened? No! Oh my god. Why did it crash on me? Okay, okay. Okay, you're happy now? Did we do anything bad? Okay, this is the scene, so it doesn't matter. Let's continue. Add player, and we're gonna do funk. Add player. Player. I know it's a function. It has to be like add player, but who the hell cares? I'm not making it for a company. Come on. So we to do the same as we did in the bullet. I'm gonna do this thing. This thing doesn't have to be here. Just have to be here. We're gonna be var indentation. Indentation instantiate. It's gonna be add player. I know my namings are very bad, but who care? Global position is equal to. I don't think that there is a this keyword. Parent, I guess. Parent. How about I just put you here and do like this. Global position. And we go get tree. Or just add child here. And it's gonna be add player. Okay. Here we add a timer here. Set it to 1 second and see how much it goes. Because I'm gonna do 1 second. Target method not found. Specify valid method or another attached script. What are you talking about? I have the script on it. Why the script is not attached? Okay, load. Are we crazy? It crashed. Let's save. So we are safe. We're just gonna do like this. Add player. Okay, in the play scene, we go here, we add not this, just this. No, it was that player. It's plus spawner. Plus spawner. You go behind like here, and maybe here, and let's see. No, it's not gonna do anything because I forgot to do this auto start. Simple. Should be coming right away. No, it should not be coming right here because it did spawn, but it didn't come. So we need it to come here. We're just gonna do no. Let's not delete the process. Let's just delete that one. Position dot x plus equals this time speed times 10. And here we do the speed. Our speed is equal to 10, for example. Is the bad boy coming any moment now? Let's see if it does it instantiate, but it's not coming to me. Why? If the bullet is it's minus. I am delusional. And it should be coming right about now. Right about now. Why? There are no, there aren't areas. Let me pause this for a second. Pause it. Are we instantiating? It is instantiating, but why it's not moving? Uh, Let me move it in front because I cannot see from that perspective. Let's put it here. Can we put some colors? It went to the other side. Zed, man, Zed. Sometimes, sometimes, man, sometimes. And now it's plus. Of course it's plus. I knew it's plus. I knew it. I knew it. Okay, now it has to do that. Then let's delay it a bit. Give it like 15-second delay. Okay, and let's add it. Let's add the plus. We add one player to this thing. But guys, before I do that, can you give me like 5 minutes-ish? I need to do some stuff. Sorry. I'll write a text here. BRB. Okay. And you guys can listen to the music, I guess. Be right back, guys. Be right back. Hello again, guys. I noticed that my sound is a bit bad. What is YouTube complaining about? YouTube is always complaining when you stream on it. Sorry. Anyway, I noticed that my microphone is a bit bad, so let me try and fix it. Let me see. We do like filters here. Compressor. Hide this one. Let's see this like this. Music, stop. You can hear my clicking is pretty bad. Give me a moment, please. We drop this like this for threshold like this. Attack 2. No. This to 100. I just want to fix the noise, the microphone, I mean. Hello. This is good. I think this is good. Output gain. A bit like this. Maybe. Yeah. And this. I'm gonna talk that like it's so loud. Okay. Like this. Okay. Just some fixes, sorry guys. Let's close. No. Filter here. We add expander. Let's increase the ratio. Threshold. Attack 2 to 2. Release 100. Sorry about that. Hello. I think this is good. I think so. Maybe ratio like this. We enable this. No. Yeah. Let's keep this. And let's add this one. No, I don't have this one. I'll do it later. Okay. Maybe the noise is a bit better. Maybe. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay. Okay, hope that everything is working fine now. Hopefully. Very hopefully. I hope so. Okay, I think it's good for now. I think it's good. Let me set myself up and continue the work. Okay, guys, let's continue. So let me lower the music a bit high for me. Anyway, what we were doing, we were pounding these things that they come towards you. Uh, where are you? Didn't I spawn this thing here? It's on 15 seconds. Okay, now we need this thing here. This is not the thing we want. We need this to be sending a thing. If body entered, let's make this. How do we approach this? We just add a number. I think we just have to add a number here, I guess. Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys. My dog sleeps next to me, so he gets happy when some car or someone is passing by. Anyway, we can do body entered if we collide with the player. We send we get a variable from the player that said it's collided with plus. Something simple like that. And then when it's collided with plus, we will instantiate a new player in that position. But we do not have to do it in here. In the player, I mean, I'll do it in the board scene. In the board scene. So I'm just trying to figure out a good way to do this. So if the player collide with this, the add player spawn here. If it collides with a player, so we have to put the player in a group. Let's put a player in the group. Let's call this player, which is gonna be the only player. If body dot, can I press? I cannot type today. Is in group, and it's called player. And I have to send a message to our word that will tell the word, hey, we collided with the player, add another one. So in the word here, let's give it script here, remove this stuff. Let's do var player count, and for now it's 0. And here we take, no, we stay here. We go to add player and we get, here, let's do an export for the world. But it has to always be like that. Also, this is give it a group here. World. For example, that can be a manager or something. So, how do I call the group? I forgot. Var world is equal to get group, or either get group or existing group. I have really forgot. Let me check. Get group name. Just so you can see that I haven't touched Godot in very, very long time. Or we can just make it here. Let's do var get tree dot call group. And call it world. And maybe we need a method here. Let's call it add player. Let's copy the name of this. Then we go to our board here, player scene. For example, here we do func. And we name it. And we do instantiate another player. Let me get my player node as well. Here it's going to be var instantiate, and it's going to be player global position. Is going to be almost equal to this one, player main. Let's call it player main, and we do is equal to global position, and add child player. Let's see if what I'm doing is correct. Call group, because it returns void. Above, I will do some reading, I guess. Get tree, call group, enter mode. I am calling the group, which is word. No, add it. I didn't add it. Word, mister. Where are the groups? Hello, Worla. Can I rename it? Yes. Okay, let's try now. It's still the same thing. I want to call a function. Can I call a function? I forgot. I used to do it so many times. I forgot. Call a function. Call a function. Why you're saying like that? I did like the same thing, no? I think I shouldn't do it as a... What are you doing? Okay. Are you even colliding with player? Print body. Are you even colliding with the player? It is not colliding with the player. What is wrong? This is gonna be here. Add player. Inspection. Collision. This is gonna be number 2. It's colliding with number 1. And this one is gonna be collision number 1. It collides with number 2 as well. Why my friend here is refusing to collide? It is a body, no? I don't get it. Isn't he in the group? 8 is not in the group as well. Okay. I was clicking filter group. Whoa, what happened? Let's spawn it one time. One time. One shot. Where did my player go? Okay, let's spawn next to the player. Player scene, global position, plus vector tree dot x or just vector tree. Player main dot x plus 5. I think just to stay with okay, let's do like this. 5 plus 0 plus 0. This will add it to the right side. Whoa. No, it's gonna crash. Oh my god. That was wild. I stopped. I swear, I stopped. I just want to spawn one time. I just want to add one player. Okay, on timer. This is player spawn. And you go to the spawner. Hold on to this. This is a plus spawner. See, namings are bad. So they are ruining everything. And return. Hopefully this one is just one time. No. 300. Okay. We have a lot of stuff to do about this. That's the player count. do we deal with this? We do a player count here. Var player count equal to 0. And here we do add player count is plus equals 1. And no, this is not gonna work. This is not going to work. We can, or we can't, depends. Look how many errors we have here. No, we just have to add one player and stop this function. Just add one player, stop function. I think I have to go in the thing that's the player, and we do on exit. Is we do, where is it? Yeah, add player on exit. No. Okay. I can do it like this. I don't call a group. I call this function, okay? But in here, I'm gonna do a var can add player is equal to false, okay? Hear me out, guys. Hear me out. I'm gonna cook. And here we're gonna go can add player is equal to true. Okay. And then process. Func process. Hear me out, guys. If can add player, we do this beautiful stuff. This is gonna be indented. Only if I can add player. So we added the action, and we can do can add player is equal to false. So this will give us only one for now. Hey, no, that didn't work. Wait, guys, a bit. Is music that is distracting me from this impossible task. Anyway, this is not working, clearly. Maybe we have to add the track. Maybe I need a timer for this. Wait, guys, wait. I want to instantiate on a number. Example. For example, our example here, let's get rid of it. And in the add player here, we just need not the method. It's gonna go to project here, global scenes, play scene, and we added the global. Okay. In here we'll have layer to add var, and we give it here 0. Okay. And here play. Oh, go. What was the name? Play scene. The player to add is equal to, for example, and we go back to the play scene as the process process and print this bad boy player to add. Okay, I just want to see if when we are gonna do that, we're gonna these number layers are not so helpful. Okay, guys, I think I have some stuff that are bothering me, so I have to go check them. But I promise I'll try to come back tomorrow and finish this nice, beautiful project that I started. It's been an hour, maybe an hour, with some wasted time around. But I will come. I will come and I will see this. For now, I cannot really focus on this. But anyway, thank you guys. I see you next time. Tomorrow, if I can. Tomorrow's Sunday. But at the same time, or maybe at 6. I will see. Tomorrow we see. Tomorrow we talk. And tomorrow we finish this journey of making shitty mobile games ads. Making them real. Anyway, guys, see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.